Hi guys. So today we will be moving the chickens, or per se getting new ones, cause yeah. Anyways, we will be moving or getting new chickens over here, and I will try to put them like away from the buildings, from the rooms, because they are kind of annoying. So okay, I finished with the base. Now we will add fencing. Alright, now let's add some lighting. I think that's good. Now let's add some grass. There you have it. All of this grass. Now, we just need to add the chickens. Now, can chickens escape from this fence? Because I would think so, right? I don't know. Let's just see. So. Alright. Seems like it's working. Now let's add some plants. Now, I think I want to add like an outdoor lounge over here. Right? I think that would look good. Alright, now I just gotta add the chairs. I think it would look better and less cramped if we had smaller chairs. The little hangout area, and I think that wraps up today's video. See you guys later. Enjoy your day. Hope you have a great day.